Mastering modal verbs in the present and future tense. Hello there, language learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of modal verbs, specifically focusing on their use in the present and future tense. Get ready to boost your English grammar skills. Modal verbs are a unique type of auxiliary or helper verbs in English. They're used to express a variety of ideas including possibility, necessity, ability, and permission. Some common examples include can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, must, and ought to. When we use modal verbs in the present tense, they help us express habits, likelihood, ability, or permission. Here are a few examples. Can, I can speak English. Ability, may, you may take a cookie. Permission, must, you must wear a mask in the store. Obligation, should, you should eat more vegetables. Advice, take note, modal verbs do not change their form according to the subject. So whether it's he, they, or I, the verb stays the same. For the future tense, we use modal verbs to talk about predictions, promises, plans, or decisions made at the moment of speaking. Here are some examples. Will, I will call you tomorrow. Promise. Shall, we shall visit Paris next year. Plan, might, it might rain later. Prediction, could, I could go to the gym after work. Possibility, remember, with future tense modal verbs, the main verb always stays in its base form. And there you have it. A quick but comprehensive run-through of modal verbs in the present and future tense. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't forget to use these in your everyday conversations. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be a master of modal verbs. I hope you found this lesson helpful. Until next time, happy learning!